Hey guys, I'm Harshit Kumar and I'm not sure which day it is. You can call it day 10 or day 12. So my last video was on Saturday. Today is Tuesday. So if you think I have not studied from that day, that's not correct. I was not actually able to find time to make videos. I will tell you why. So first let's start with Sunday. Okay, so in Sunday in the morning time, okay, before evening, I studied pretty well, and after evening I went outside. So yeah, so I went to a relative's house. So after evening I was not able to study. Then Monday was okayish, and today I gave a mock test. I got decent marks. I won't disclose my marks, but it was decent, okay, enough to if you know, yeah, it was decent. That is all I can say. So now my time. So I am not studying properly, but I am studying. Okay, it's not that I have completely left studying. I am, focusing more on test paper analysis than giving test paper, and I am checking out each and every concept of the questions of mock test. So before few days before JEE Advance, I will be doing that I will be going through the solutions of each and every questions of all the mock tests before JEE Advance, not now. So yeah, and I am playing little bit more game right now. So yeah, today I even uploaded one video in my gaming channel. I am not giving too much time, but today it took me around 2 hours. So I mean, for most of JEE Advance I spent 2 hours is very high, but I mean, yeah, I am not making these YouTube videos. Yesterday I didn't play much game, but in all the last 3 days, it's my gaming time was around 1.5 hours every day. My sleep time has increased a lot. I am sleeping for around 9 hours a day. Yeah, 9 hours. Yesterday I went to sleep at around 10:30, and today I woke up at 7:30. So yep, 9 hours sleep, that is too much. And I'm not actually putting alarms because I am sleeping, but I do wake up from 9:30 to 5 in the morning. I don't sleep, and I try to be active in that period. So yeah, I mean, okay, so yep, I won't be linking the subscribe button to my channel. I will be linking subscribe button of my gaming channel, and I will be uploading one video of my gaming channel and a previous day video. I am not sure whether I will be uploading videos daily or in alternate days. So let's see what I will be doing. So yeah, thanks for watching.